And many of us are proud to say that our children do not speak Igbo. Now, languages are really wonderful. I think the more languages one can speak, the better. I personally would like to learn Hausa. I've always loved the music of the language. But the truth is that children can learn as many languages as we expose them to. But what is happening in Igbo land is not about whether children can learn languages or not. It is the result of the lack of value for what is ours. We do not value what is ours.
I want you to take a look at this very beautiful video of a young girl fluently, and confidently speaking the Igbo language. Nye nika eryo, one nye ozo eryo. Asho nye shane garini bo asho 2025. Wopusha moge na aryo nde monai, ndi nne na ndi nna. Kunu kuzia no umu asusu Igbo. Kunu kuzia no umu asusu Igbo. Nadu wefo no wozugu. Nadu adesi ashu efu. Nenyo erikosi. Koku yalanyo national n'aka ya kamari onu. Aba websho oge na aryo ndị nne na ndị nna. Kunu kuzia no umu asusu Igbo. Ni na anya kunu huwa ndi utakere nye obo na amuwa n'ofe. Ọnụ Igbo kwa na ọmụa, obodo Igbo kwa na ọmụa. Mane neke ka o si asụ asụsụ Igbo. Im gesi ante no ka o si asụ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ bụ ya bụ na onye Igbo ya akwa. Im gesi ante ka o si asụ Igbo afọ eduoyi. Ọ bụ nni adụ achọ ofe waji eri ya. So, achọ nkunu web show ke gente. Listen to this child as she speaks the Igbo language.
Naraka ngozi Chineke. Oh, wow. Can you see it? Can you see it? Wow. This Chineke. Ina asu Igbo aga. Nde ebe mụtara Igbo.
Mommy mukuziri ya.
Mommy kuziri Igbo. Kedu mommy kuziri Igbo? Mommy bia na. Mommy ni ezigbo award. Mommy nara award o dịrị mommy aka anyị na-achọ. Mommy na-akụziri ụmụaka Igbo ezigbo chai. Nne m iwa akpara isa anyị. Ndewo nno. Sosiekwu Igbo ga ike apụtụkwala ya apụ.
Okay.
Biko kutoro rezo mwaka. Bia here. Come on, I guess I put it.
Nwani, welcome back. Now, God bless the parents of that child. On the contrary, I'm not in any way to insult this other child. This is the child of one of my very good friends on Facebook from Ibanke. Let us listen to her.
Ndị Ibanke allows you know Oleraigo.
Look at the camera.
I'll speak English.
So, but my the videos I make, they're back. So, how will you not join me to make the videos when you don't know how to speak?
Asuna. America. Chukwugwam.
Chukwugozi ono.
Chukwugozi.
Don't know. Finish. So, there's no way you will join me to do videos because that means you have to learn how to speak Igbo.
So what I was trying to say is Ibanke people, good afternoon.
All right, I know you have now seen the difference. The difference is that this second child was born in Igbo land of Ibanke in Edo State, Nigeria. The other child was born outside the shores of Nigeria. But the difference is that the parents of the first child took time to dedicate to the teaching of Igbo language and the teaching of Igbo culture and morals to their daughter. They are both girls. And as they say, when you educate the girl child, you educate a nation, because it takes a mother to communicate and teach the child language most times, because children mostly spend time with their mothers. Look at the first child, the child who has a mistress. I'm sure it's the father, the mother, as you saw, is the mother that taught that child the Igbo language. But the father is not a Nigerian. But look at how fluent, how confident. In fact, she was speaking with a king. How proud can a mother be? And I love the way the king called out the mother to appreciate her. This is what we are teaching. This is what brings us happiness. This is what I see that gives me fulfillment. Listening to a child speak the Igbo language, because it assures me that our culture is sustained. The Igbo language, the Igbo culture, the Igbo ancestral beliefs, our traditional systems, everything revolves around the Igbo language. We cannot be without the Igbo language. Ekenjisi unu biko ka anyị na-akwado asụsụ Igbo n'ezinụlọ. Oge na ọ bụ na ndị oyibo, ndị ọ bụ na-enwe nwụọ, ndị na-elebanye anya na ihe gbasara nkụzi n'obodo Nigeria. That is the Ministry of Education. They have outlawed the use of indigenous languages in teaching children from nursery school to the university level. Now that this has happened, the onus is now on us to promote, to sustain, and to preserve the Igbo language. I am using this opportunity to call on parents to please take this serious. If the Igbo language must be sustained, we must ensure that it is used widely at homes. You must speak the Igbo language to your children. Ensure also that they respond to you in Igbo language. Tell them stories in Igbo language. Tell them stories. Tell them proverbs. If you have made the mistake that your child is now more than 5 years old but cannot speak a word in Igbo language, you have a greater duty. Now you are going to start teaching them at least 3 Igbo words every day. And you can be sure that after 30 days, your child would have learned 90 Igbo words. Let them start by mixing Igbo with English. With time, the English will vanish from the Igbo language. Bikoni. Bikoni kodi nuchu. Kodi nuti anya. Makana suwene noye wepu anya ki ibeme na asya. Ekinsa mwandu takiri nyobana muwa n'obodo Igbo afọ ejum. Ekinsa mwandu kobana muwa n'obodo nyaye no n'ime bụ Nigeria. Nina Nigeria bụ ndị Igbo nke. Ike agwụ. Parents, especially parents in Nigeria, there is no shame in your child speaking your indigenous language. It is not a sign that they are unintelligent. It is not a sign of superiority of knowledge when they speak only English language. My own father was not just speaking Obolo to me. He was blowing proverbs. There's no single question that goes to my father that he will return to you without adding a proverb. These proverbs, if you don't understand the meaning, he will explain to you. But it triggers you to think. Bikoni. Bikoni. Our father Chinua Achebe says that if words were yam, proverbs are the palm oil with which they are eaten. The beauty of Igbo language is when you are very proficient in it. It is not a must that you will be proficient in Igbo Izugbe, but when you understand your local dialect of the Igbo language, that tribal Igbo dialect that your people speak, For instance, mine is Obolo dialect. Then it will be very easy for you to comprehend and switch to Igbo Izugbe. Bikoni, kokwe lanyo national naka. This Christmas of 2025, we watched our beloved sister give out lecture in Igbo language at the Vatican City in Rome. We saw her speak the Igbo language during Mass, and we were very pleased. When she came out with the word, Okwu Chineke.
Okwu Chineke.
Word of God, who became man for us, support those who in this holy year have asked for mercy and forgiveness, so that they be sustained on their journey through life.
Most Igbo people had goosebumps when you hear a man speak to God in his language. He pours out his heart. Bikoni, Bikoni. This is my first video this year, and it is not a coincidence that I have chosen to dedicate it to the teaching of Igbo language. Please teach your children Igbo language. I know some of you like to find fault. You will say, if you are telling us to teach our children Igbo language and you are speaking English to say it, I pity you. I am saying it in English so that you, who does not understand the word in Igbo, can pick it. My children speak Obolo dialect. I had the privilege of learning Obolo dialect as well. In primary school, I learned Igbo. In secondary school, I learned Igbo. Even up to the university, I was making A's in Igbo. And I am from Delta State. I am an Igbo man. And I am pleading with you, Igbo man. You, Igbo woman. Nasumo moya susu Igbo. Nasumo moya susu Igbo. Makenyi ifele ka ọ ga-abụ na-emesi anya ishu ụmụ ya abịa ụlọ adụwa anọnye ndị mụrụ ekwu. What if your parents decide to talk with your children and they speak? Because me, I'm envisioning myself speaking with my grandchildren. I have no English in my mouth when I decide to speak with my grandchildren. The same way I do with my brothers and sisters' children. Those among them who cannot speak our Obolo dialect are finding it difficult to be on the same level, to vibe with this their uncle. They see me as a difficult uncle. I am not being difficult. I am exposing the inadequacies of their parents. Bikoni, Bikoni, Bikoni. Kai kwado asusu Igbo ka ọ na-aga n'ishu. Nne si ka nye bụrụ na-aka ọbụrụ na-ahụ. If we let the world know that our language is very important to us, the world will respect it. It will be sustained. And did I hear somebody say, Ejigbo Ejebe? I've heard people say it. Now listen to Chima Amanda say it as well.
Somebody once said to me when I was talking about how important it was for us to conserve our language, Ejigbo Ejebe. Not only is that an example of remarkable stupidity, but we must remember that human needs are not merely material. So this person was talking about, I don't want my child to learn Igbo. Igbo will confuse my child. My child will not get a good job. But human needs are not merely material. We must feed our bodies, of course. We must think about what will give us a good job. But our souls must also be fed. And it is dignity that feeds our souls.
Now, people think, how far can Igbo language take you? What are you doing with Igbo language? By speaking Igbo, what will you achieve? I pity you. You may achieve everything you want to achieve in life. You may be very successful in all spheres. But if you have lost touch with your culture, you will remain lost forever. You will remain very, very lost. So here are ways you will teach your children the Igbo language. Simple ways. Teach them the words that are of daily importance to them. For instance, greetings and how they are responded to. Teach them those words. Teach them the names of domestic items kitchen utensils, everything you need to teach them so that you can communicate daily with them in Igbo language. Trust me, they are children. The ones they cannot understand, they will always come to you, Daddy, how do they say this one? And you will teach them. You will find it fun teaching them. And when you go outside, recently I went with 2 of my daughters to a hospital and I saw my kinsman. He also came with his children. It's a pediatric hospital. Now, my second daughter, who is about 2 years old, was telling the senior one, Nozuka, 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 Nozuka. That is shift for me. And that man smiled. Look at these children speaking our language. That is, and I was talking with them. The other one came and asked me, Daddy, kiddo, that's Daddy, what is it? And I explained to her in our language. They were very, very happy. And I told them, you too can do it. It takes nothing away from you. It only takes dedication. English is not our language. There are things I would tell my children in our indigenous Igbo language. You can never do so in English, even if you are a professor of English language. If you succeed in translating it, you will lose the impact that I want it to have. You will lose the meanings in translation. Bikoni, start teaching your children the Igbo language and make them feel confident speaking it. Don't mock them. This one a local girl. It's very, very Igbotic. I am very, very Igbotic. But when I switch to English language, trust me, I will not make less than 90% if it's an exam. So please, please, allow your children to be confident. Allow them to express themselves. N'asụsụ Igbo. Ka asụsụ Igbo yala na national, ka okwu yala anyo national n'aka. Nyoye sikenya bolo na aka obolo na. Nyoye sikenya bolo na aka obolo na. Aka jikwa mofia omono. If your hands can confidently, comfortably take care of a forest, it becomes a home. If you let your children know how beautiful, how wonderful, how nice, how very diverse and comprehensive the Igbo language is, trust me, they will value that Igbo more than English. Dalone, obune ihe onyinyo nke na-emepụsha ụbọchị tata mmetụ ya ihe obi ọbụna dị mma biko ihe na-anyị aka zipụ a ka ndị ọzọ sorizikwa oto ya ọnụ n'ime anyị ga-ahụ oge ọzọ Chukwu ya gozie ọnụ ka ashọn bụ 2026 mekwa ya ọgwụma ahụ daalụ ka o mesịa anyị.
Amen.